How to use your voice in Suno AI Music Generator. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with using your own voice within your AI music when you're using Suno AI. Now, Suno AI is a platform which allows you to build some amazing tracks and some amazing sounds with the help of their platform. And the best part is that now you can incorporate your own voice. So to get started, simply sign on into suno.com and then click on create. Once you click on create on the left, you guys will see there are two options. You have simple and then you have custom. So on the top left, you also have the models where you have 4 or version 4 selected. You can opt for 3.5 for a better song structure. There's older versions as well as newer versions available only on their pro plans, as well as a 4.5 plus version with richer sound and new ways to create. However, these are features that can be limited to the pro plans only, so do keep that in mind. Now from here, you're going to go into custom and then you can choose your own audio or choose your own persona. Now, if you want to build your own persona, you will have to upgrade to a premium version of Suno AI. However, if you are just looking to build some songs with your own voice, then you can do that simply by clicking on audio and then uploading or recording your own audio. I'm going to do a quick recording of my own audio, so I'm just going to add this, and keep in mind there's a 1 minute limit to your audio and you do need to upgrade to use longer audio of upwards of 8 minutes. I'm just going to press this red button and then I'm going to speak a little or just sing a little so that I can add my own voice within my lyrics. Fly me to the moon, let me sing with the stars. The world sings along to everyone's song and I'm just here to stay. And I just recorded a really short clip. From here, I can click on save. And once I click on save, I can cover this audio in any song style. I can also extend to make my audio longer, or I can save this audio in my library for later use. Now you're going to proceed with using this audio in any song style, so you can cover your own audio as well. And then you can click on continue. Now these are just some really lame lyrics that I built, and I can go into auto and I can change up my lyrics over here. So I'm going to write my own lyrics with my own audio. So let's say we're going to write, we cannot do auto lyrics for covers, so we will have to opt for our own lyrics. And I'm just going to go into ChatGPT to write me some lyrics because I truly cannot do my own lyrics. And you can even click on over here and ask it to write lyrics for you. So you can write them line by line or write a full song. So I want them to be a love song. And then we have the classic lyric mode as well as the Remi lyric mode. And then I'm going to ask it to write the lyrics. And I'm not going to go with a really long song. I'm just going to select the pre-chorus and the chorus over here. From here, I'm going to paste that in. And then once I've done that, I'm going to be choosing my styles. So within my styles, I'm going to write pop. And then from here, you guys can see some auto suggestions as well. Subtle piano with heartfelt music, or therapy, British pop, heartfelt delivery, like so. And below that, you have advanced audio options to change the weirdness and style influence. And then you have more options to add your own song title. Let's say this is going to be called a love song, and then you can add it to your workspace. Then just click on remix over here, and then Suno AI will create your song. Now from here, again, we will have to ensure that the correct model has been selected, like so, and then we can proceed. And just like so, on the right side, you guys can see that my 2 new songs are being created. Now, on the right, I have previously created some other variations of multiple different songs, and you can build songs in your own voice, or you can even use the voice of the AI characters available. So this is what the song sounds like, and let's take a look together at what type of song Suno AI has generated for us. Every shadow dreams, every heart dreams. Tell me what, tell me how, tell me when I fall under the snow. So this is just the first variation that it created. Let's take a look at the second variation that has been created. Every heartbeat, fleeting dreams, tell me. So these were the 2 variations that it created for my lyrics using my own voice. Now, this is just one example. Whenever you're building your own audio, you will have to record or upload your audio if you have not built your persona yet, which is why it is really important to ensure that you are upgrading to more premium plans to have access to higher quality models as well. Now, currently, the vocals sound a little bit rough. The reason for that is because we are using their 3.5 model. So if you want to have richer sounds, then you need to upgrade to their 4.5 model. The reason for that is it allows you to create 8 minutes of audio, whereas older models are only going to allow you to create upwards of 4 minutes of audio, which is not going to be appropriate for some people because they might want to create longer songs or longer audio clips. However, music is not the only thing you can create. So if you want to use your own voice in other things, you can also proceed with building something a bit different, like a lullaby, or if you want a short nursery rhyme, you can do that as well. Let's say I want to write a full song and I want this to be a nursery rhyme over here, and I'm going to ask it to write the lyrics. Once I do that, I'm going to proceed with recording a brand new sample for my voice. So we have Twinkle Treetop Tales and Twinkle Troll Dreams, and I'm just going to be selecting this option over here. Then I'm going to click on audio, and then I'm going to upload. Not upload, actually, I want to record my audio instead. So I'm going to click on record over here, and then again, play. Little toes tap on the floor, whispers flow through the board. I'm just doing this as an example, so we're just going to leave it at that. Use this cover, and then from here we can click on continue, and then we can click on create, and then build our new nursery rhyme as well. So just like so, you can get started with building your own music in Suno AI. Now, if you go into the home section, you will see some suggested covers and trending music as well that can help you in getting some more inspiration. And if you're looking to upgrade, you can go pro for as low as $8. But if you're opting for monthly billing, you would have to pay $10 and $30 for their premier plan. Keep in mind that if you're using the free plan, you do not have commercial licensing, so you cannot use this commercially. However, on their pro plan, you can use it commercially for songs made while you're subscribed to the pro plan, and you have several other features, including access to their 4.5 models, priority queues, as well as early access, and splitting songs into 12 vocal and instrumental stems. Their premier plan gives you access to commercial use for rights for songs made while subscribed, as well as uploading 8 minutes of audio, adding new vocals or instrumentals to pre-existing songs, and so much more. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.